Here are the steps to set up the APN on a Pixel phone. When do you need to configure the APN? When inserting a new eSIM into your phone, and still unable to access the internet. Where to get the APN? When you purchase an eSIM from Gigago, the APN for the purchased eSIM package will be provided to you. Step 1. From the home screen, head to Settings on your device. Step 2. Go to Network and Internet. Step 3. Go to SIMs. Step 4. Select your Gigago eSIM. Step 5. Go to Access Point Names. Step 6. Tab plus icon on the right top corner. Step 7. Fill out name and APN provided. Step 8. Tap 3-dot icon on the top right and choose Save. Step 9. Choose your newly created APN setting. If you have any other questions, please contact the hotline or visit gigago.com for more detailed information.